Guys, and welcome to my first ever packing video. So, as you could probably already tell from the montage that I just showed, and if you follow me on any social media, Instagram, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, me and Dorian are on our 5-year anniversary trip in Quebec City. Really not in Quebec City, but right outside the city, in a little like woodsy town. We're actually staying in an Airbnb at the top of a mountain, and I'll put some photos here so you guys can see because it's sick. Obviously, right now I haven't been there yet, but based on the Airbnb photos, there's so much this place has to offer. Not only does it have virtually no neighbors and it's surrounded by woods on all 4 sides, but it also has a bedroom that has windows on all 4 sides, I believe. It has a tiny living room with a wood fire stove that we could use. It has a fire pit, a big deck overlooking the entire mountain view and like all of the fall foliage. And then it also has a hot tub. So me and Dorian are super, super excited, and we actually leave today, but that's the problem. We're leaving in like 2 hours. Dorian's gonna come home from work and he's already packed. He's already gotten his stuff ready yesterday, but I have not. So I figured I would bring you guys along to see some of the outfits that I'm planning for specific activities we have. And yeah, so come and pack with me for our Quebec trip. Also, before I forget, we do have some assistants with us. Motley has been literally following me around the entire day. This is our youngest cat, if you haven't seen him. We've had him for 1 year, I think in a week or something like that. He's only a year old, and he's been following me around all day because I think that he knows that we're leaving. So you might see him in this video too. Promise me you're not going to judge our closet, okay? Promise me. Say I promise before you even watch this, because it's a little unorganized. If my sister and brother watch this, they're going to be like, oh my gosh, of course. But yeah, so our closet is not doing its best right now. Don't judge, but I'm going to pull out a couple of pieces that I think are going to work for what we're planning on doing. Here, catch. Just kidding. Okay, I'm ready to show you my first outfit, so please be nice. So even though we're leaving today, we're not going to be arriving in Quebec till either 11 or 12 at night. So today doesn't really count. I count tomorrow's the first full day, and I'm thinking I'm going to wear this. I feel like this would be really good in the city, especially when it's a little bit hotter out. I have my Adidas new sneakers I gifted myself. I think these are so cute, except for looking at them from the top, they look almost like bowling shoes. But from the side, I'm like, ooh, so cute. And then I also have my Lulu leggings, which if you watched my Amex video, you know that I got these Lululemon leggings for $75 off. Woo! Then I have just a regular plain long sleeve from Garage and this puffer cropped black vest that I bought from Marshall's. So yeah, I think that this could be good for just like walking around. On the first day, we plan on grabbing breakfast and then going to the grocery store to grab some groceries because we're going to cook at the Airbnb a lot, and then we'll check into the Airbnb. So this is super, super functional, like she's moving type of thing. Outfit number 2 is about to blow your socks off, as it should. So my birthday was a couple weeks ago on September 20th, and I asked Dorian to buy me this matching camo sweatsuit from Comfort. Oh my gosh, I love this outfit. It is so cozy, as promised. I mean, the name of the brand is Comfort. Super cozy, fluffy on the inside, just like when you first get a new sweatshirt and sweatpants. And here's the catch, too. I told Dorian I really want this outfit because I feel like it's going to be so good for all of our fall trips coming up. We're going to Quebec this weekend for our anniversary. We're going camping in Montauk with our friends on the beach in a couple weeks. And then we have my annual, like, Vermont Thanksgiving woodsy trip with my family. And I was like, this would be perfect. So I said, get me an outfit for my birthday and then get yourself an outfit and we can match and take cute pictures and just like be cozy together. So we're both bringing this outfit, and I just picture both of us sitting wearing this on the deck at night with a fire going, playing Monopoly Deal, and hopefully I'll be crushing him at Monopoly Deal. But yeah, so I'm really excited to wear this tomorrow night just for hanging out. Dorian's bringing his little Ugg booties too, so this will be so cute. For pajamas or something just to like sit out on the deck with a cup of tea or a cup of hot chocolate in the morning, maybe a coffee. I'm thinking this Vermont sweatshirt that I wear every single year to Vermont. And then these little shorts. Again, I'll probably wear them with my Ugg slippers and then maybe a pair of high socks. I feel like that could be cute, cozy, not too hot where the comfort suit is like super hot. Might be a lot. I'm having trouble with a dinner outfit because I definitely want to wear these heels from Jessica Simpson. Like, they look so cute on. But then I need some type of pair of pants and some top. I think I might do this just like simple brown turtleneck. It's a little bit thinner, which I think could be good because, you know, it's just the start of October. It's not that cold out. And then maybe a pair of bootcut jeans. Let me try it. All right, I think I'm going this for dinner. So I have the little brown heels, which are adorable with bootcut jeans. Then just a little brown turtleneck. And then I'll probably wear my hair in a clip. I know it's not like anything crazy for dinner, but we're not doing a crazy fancy dinner anyway. So I feel like this could be cute. I love the look of these heels with bootcut jeans. Oh, so cute. I'm also gonna bring this giant blanket sweater that I bought from Marshall's for like 30 bucks. It's super cozy. It's another good option to wear if we're sitting by the fire outside and it's colder. Maybe even in the morning to throw on with my PJs. And it's nice because it's white, so I feel like it matches every single thing that I'm bringing. If I do wear it for like the day though, like a cozy day, I'll either wear it with a pair of bootcut jeans like these, or I do have another pair of Levi bootcut jeans that are similar. Or I lied, Lucky brand. And they're similar. This is another sweater I'm bringing. Kuhl actually sent it to me to review. They sent Dorian a pair of pants too, so he's gonna be wearing those on the trip. But maybe I'll wear this with jeans. I don't really know. I might just wear it with leggings because it is oversized. So if I do wear it with jeans, I almost feel like I need to like tuck it in a little bit. But I love the brown color. Adorable. I can't wait to wear this. This is another sweater I might wear. It's from Amazon. I actually brought it to Paris too. It gives fall. Every single color on it I feel like gives fall. So I'm going to bring it. I might wear it. I might not. I'm not really sure. And here are some last minute additions that I think I'm going to add. I'm not sure if I'm going to wear them, like I said, but I'm just going to bring them in case. First, I have this little brown puffer, which is from Shein. I wouldn't advise purchasing from Shein now, but I do have this from like years ago and I do wear it, so this is one thing. Then I also have two scarves, one which I wore in France all last year. It's just a white basic one from H&M. And then I also have one that Dorian's Bobcha knitted for me, which is so cute. It's this beautiful royal blue. So if I could somehow wear this, I will. But I have a feeling that if I can't match it for an outfit this time when we go camping in Montauk in a couple of weeks, I will definitely be wearing this. It'll also be colder, whereas this weekend's warmer, so odds are I won't wear a scarf. I just want to make sure that if there's a really good sunrise where it's cold, I at least have one. I'm also, of course, bringing other pajama sets. This is my favorite one, and I never travel anywhere without bringing slippers. So I'll probably bring those too, even though they're a little bit worn. It is spooky season, so these are great. And I think that that's everything that I plan on packing. Let's check with Mango. Mango, do you think I'm missing anything? There are a lot of clothes behind you. That's everything, right, buddy? He's ignoring me, but look at how pretty he is. You're so pretty. You're like a handsome prince. This is our angel cat. He's always nice. His claws are never out. He never hisses at anybody. He's so good, right, buddy? And I call him the oldest child, even though he's twins with Mika. Bye, buddy. Oh, and I forgot to mention, don't forget to tune in next week for the full Quebec video. I can't wait to show you guys the Airbnb in person, sunrise, sunsets, all the activities we get up to, dinner. It's going to be so fun. We're going to miss you, Mango. But yeah, so make sure to click subscribe and you'll get notified about next week's actual full Quebec video. Woo!